Running Toilet Repair Chula Vista. A running toilet wastes water, increases utility bills, and puts strain on internal components. When a tank never fully shuts off, the issue is usually related to a worn flapper, faulty fill valve, deteriorated seals, or an imbalanced float assembly. Addressing these problems early prevents larger failures that can lead to overflows or internal leaks. Emergency Plumber Chula Vista provides precise diagnostics and fast repairs for all running toilet issues. On-time service helps prevent continuous water cycling, fixture damage, and unnecessary water consumption. For efficient running toilet repair in Chula Vista, call Emergency Plumber Chula Vista at 619-703-0861 or visit www.emergencyplumberchulavista.com to get help.